Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are mixing things up to make 5 cocktails at home without a shaker. So now we are going to make the screwdriver. It's super easy to make and perfect for any occasion. So let's dive right in. It's just 4 simple ingredients. Now let's move on to the fun part, mixing it up. Alright, grab a highball glass to mix it directly. First we are going to add some ice. Now let's add 150 ml of fresh orange juice. If you have fresh oranges, juice them for an extra zesty kick. Next, pour in 50 ml of vodka. You can use any vodka you like, but I recommend a smooth one for the best flavor. Now it's time to mix the cocktail. Just stir well with a spoon. Now, for the finishing touch, grab a slice of orange and place it on the rim of your glass. And there you have it, your refreshing screwdriver cocktail is ready to enjoy. Now I'm going to show you how to make one of the most iconic cocktails around, the Long Island iced tea. For this cocktail, you'll need a variety of liquors. But don't worry, it's super simple to put it together. Alright, let's get started. First, grab a tall glass like a highball glass and fill it with ice. Now, we'll balance out all the pours. That's something refreshing. Add 25 ml of freshly squeezed lime juice and 25 ml of simple syrup. Next, this is where the fun begins. We are going to add 15 ml of each liquor. That's 15 ml of triple sec, 15 ml of rum, 15 ml of gin, 15 ml of vodka, and finally 15 ml of tequila. It's a lot of different spirits, but don't worry, they blend together perfectly to create a smooth, refreshing drink. This will give the drink that tart, sweet flavor we love. Now for the final touch, a splash of cola. This gives the drink its signature iced tea look without any actual tea involved. Give it a quick stir to mix everything together. Now we'll garnish with a fresh lime slice to complete the look. And just like that, your Long Island iced tea is ready. Now we are diving into a simple, refreshing classic, the rum buck. This cocktail is light, zesty, and perfect for those who love a good balance between rum and ginger beer. So let's get started. Here's what you'll need to make a perfect rum buck. Alright, the first thing we are going to do is fill our highball glass with ice. Now we are going to add 50 ml of freshly squeezed lime juice. This gives the drink that refreshing citrus kick. Next, we are adding 50 ml of rum. I'm using light rum today for a crispy, clear flavor, but feel free to use dark rum for a deeper, richer taste. Now for the fizz, we'll top off the drink with ginger beer. Pour it slowly so it blends nicely with the rum at light. Look at that, so refreshing. Now I'm going to show you how to make a timeless, refreshing cocktail that's perfect for any occasion. The gin Ricky. For this cocktail, you'll need these ingredients. First, we are going to grab a highball glass and fill it with ice. This cocktail is best served cold, so don't be shy with the ice. Now, we'll add 25 ml of freshly squeezed lime juice. This brings that bright, citrusy flavor that makes the gin Ricky so refreshing. Next, let's add 50 ml of gin. I'm using classic London dry gin, but you can use your favorite brand. Now for the bubbles, top off your drink with club soda. Pour it slowly to avoid too much fizzing. Finally, let's garnish with a lime wedge. Just drop it in for a little extra lime flavor. Alright, next I'm going to show you a fun twist on the classic gin and tonic, the Campari gin and tonic. Here's what you'll need to make a Campari gin and tonic. First, we are going to fill a highball glass with ice. The colder, the better for this cocktail. Next, let's start by adding 20 ml Campari. Campari brings that signature bitter-sweet flavor and that turning red color. Now we are adding 40 ml of gin. I'm using a classic London dry gin, but feel free to use your favorite. Now, top off your glass with tonic water, pouring slowly to keep those bubbles intact. To finish finish it off, let's garnish with a slice of orange. This adds a touch of citrus to complement the bitters of the Campari. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, be sure to give a thumbs up